I request you to make me a co-host in another gadget I'm going to use to share my screen. It is in the names of, yeah, I think you can see it there. Okay. Mr. Otto. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Charles. Let me pick Ineviona to give us the opening prayer.
Let's pump ourselves and pray. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. What that we can do as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us what we do.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ineviona, for that prayer. Only that your audio was not enough. I'm going to take away the rights for sharing the video case so that all of us will concentrate in class. Let me take away these rights away from you. Yeah, and we move on. Can I have another person to give us an opening prayer? And we move on. May I have another person here to give us an opening prayer? Joanita.
Sure.
Yeah, pray for us. Thank you.
We thank you, Heavenly Father, for this day, and may you guide us, oh Lord. May you protect us, oh Lord. May you feed us food, oh Lord. We thank you for everything that you've done for us, and may you help us understand and we pass the exams, oh Lord. May you, I am praying for the sick, for everyone, so that they may heal. In Jesus' name I've prayed, amen.
Amen. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you, Joanita, for that wonderful prayer. Now, class, I have something to tell you. And one, I welcome you into this lesson. Two, when I give you a chance and you mute yourself, make sure that after talking, you immediately unmute, you immediately mute, okay? Because I don't have to tell you, you mute, or I don't have to do it myself, because you're in a class. In a class, when you're at school, most of the times, when they say give you a chance to stand up and give an answer. After giving an answer, of course, you sit down, don't remain up. So I'm giving a chance to you, and after giving the answer, then I request you to do the muting and the unmuting. I do welcome everybody who is on the call, who is in class right now. I see we have very many. We have new learners like Nakai, Beyonce is joining us today. I think even yesterday was in class, and some others. So you are most welcome. Feel at home. I have my friends there like Melilina, Saibil, Stacia. We have a new, I think this one are new, Shasha, Kisa, and Travin. Let me hear from them before we start our lesson. Shasha. Shasha.
Yes.
Oh, how are you?
Fine.
Is it your first time today to be here with us?
Huh?
Is it your first time to be here today? Or you have changed the
This
naming?
is my sister.
This is your sister. Hello?
Yes.
I'm talking to Shasha, I'm talking to Tavin.
Sir. So this is my sister's name. I made a mistake. This
Hello?
is my Gabby. I made a mistake.
You are Nantale Gabi.
I made a mistake.
You rename yourself if you are Gabi. Rename yourself if you are Gabi. Yeah, I need to know everybody who is in class. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. A very good afternoon to all of you. Let's go on and study. That was Nantale Gabi, but finally I have known Gabi. It's okay. Let me do the mute here. So in today's lesson, we are going to first make a review of the previous lesson. Then after making a preview of the previous lesson, then we shall move on with today's lesson. In the last lesson, we learned about finding the perimeter of the figure. Okay, we learned about the perimeter of the figure in the last lesson. Now, in today's lesson, let's first look at how do we look for the perimeter. Last time, we looked at the perimeter of a rectangle and we said, we looked at it, I gave the activity, and I'm very grateful that you passed it, most of you. Now, suppose I have my perimeter is there, that's my perimeter there, sorry, my rectangle, and I want someone who's there, sharp. You share your screen and you find for us the perimeter of the figure. Okay. 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 Let me see here. Let me see whom I can pick first. I know admin Otto is there. Then people are putting up their hands. Okay, let me give a first chance to, okay, let me give a chance to Alice Christine. Alice.
Yes.
Alice.
Yes.
Okay, I know admin Otto is there. He's going to give you the course rights and you share your screen and you work out that number there. And I want to see, do you still remember what we looked at last time before today? Admin Otto, okay, help me and you award the course rights to Alice so that we can move on. Alice Christine.
Yes.
Okay, Alice Christine, you have the rights. Share the screen. You can see here it is 6 centimeters. Here it is 4 centimeters. Go on, please, and share your screen. Alice? Alice? Okay, it seems we have lost Alice. Let me pick Alice, Alice, where are you? Alice, oh, the network is not on. Maybe we have lost Alice. Let's give a chance to another one here. Who are putting up the hands? Okay, let me give a chance to Ewart. Ewart?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you still remember the question, or I show you the
I've wrote
question?
it down.
Okay, it is here. You share your screen and you go on. Even if you don't draw, just begin writing the question, the answer. You can share
Okay.
your screen now.
Okay, now we have drawn the box.
Hmm.
Now we can write the numbers.
I think down is 6. Down is 6.
Yes.
Okay, but I'm seeing 4 first. Ewart?
Okay.
Ewart?
Yes.
Ewart?
Yes, teacher.
You are using a laptop, isn't it?
Yes.
You click in the word, you rub off everything. Rub off everything. Do it quick. You go where there is the word drawing on your whiteboard thing. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
You go to the word drawing and you pick there. There is a square. There are shapes there. Just pick a shape from there.
I've already picked.
Okay, you draw now the shape there. You have picked a pencil. You go where there's the word drawing. When you click there, it will bring you different shapes. There is a circle, there is a rectangle. You pick it, you just bring the shape and put it there. It's okay. Okay, now you draw. So, no, you had it. Again, you have lost it. Go back there to the drawing, then you pick a shape. Now you draw. Oh, you picked a line. You picked a line instead of the shape, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. You draw using that one and we go on. I wanted you to learn it, but seems it is hard for you. But it was okay. You would have gone there in the drawing, then you pick the shape. Yeah? Go down now. Make it big. Again. Good boy. You can stop there. Now you write. You go back and pick the drawing for writing. Okay. Down is 4, down is 6. Make sure you leave a space where you write the work. Don't make the full screen with work.
Yes.
What? Okay, go on, go on.
And
But you're not
6
saying anything. You are just
6
writing.
centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 4.
Mhm.
Now let us draw our zeros.
No, let's not draw. What is 6 plus 4? We know
1,
it in the head. What?
1,
What?
2.
What?
Yes.
What is 6 plus
Yes.
4? What is 6 plus 4?
Yes, teacher.
What is 6 plus 4?
10.
Write 10 there.
10.
Then plus.
10.
What is 6 plus 4?
10.
Okay, good. So what is 10 plus 10?
20.
You don't have to draw balls. That is simple. 20 is the answer. Don't forget to put the centimeters there. On the answer 20. On the answer 20. Okay. Good, 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 good. Thank you. I'm real happy that you are up to the task and you are able to operate using the laptop. It is easier using the phone. So when you're using a laptop, I'm really grateful. So we say that the formula, we have the formula or the method we use. The method goes that when you get the length plus width plus length plus width is what we use. Then we shall go on. On the length we put 6, on the width we put 4, like that. And we put our centimeter outside. Then we shall go on and say it is 10 plus 10. You can do the side work here by adding vertically 10 plus 10, and the answer is 20. And we shall write 20 here as our final answer. Okay, that's what we learned last time. Now let's go to what we are supposed to have looked at today. Now today, we are going to look at the perimeter again, but on this perimeter, I'm still focusing on the figures that we looked at. In the first instance, okay, let's move on and we see what's next. Now we are looking for the formula. We are looking for the formula, and for today's formula, we are looking. Going to have a look at the following one. I have my figure there. Now we have got that's a figure, and the figure is a triangle. But we have got different types of triangle. We have got a triangle whose all the sides are equal. And they draw it like that, and they will put those things which you see there. After putting them, it can easily tell you that all the sides are what? Are equal. Now, since all the sides are equal, what do you do next? What I have to do next is simple, and it is here. I will go on and I put 8 meters. So when I put 8 meters on one of the side, like the way you are looking at it here, it means that even this side is also 8, even this side is also 8, because this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, it means all the sides are equal. So they will draw it for you, and after drawing, they will give one side, and after they say, look for the perimeter. So what do? We are going to write our formula here, and we say perimeter equals a side plus side. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides. That's why I'm saying side plus side plus side. Then we move on. 8 plus 8 plus 8. What do I get when I add these two 8? 8 plus 8, for my know the answer is 16 plus another 8. Then what I'm going to do, we are going to get this 16 plus 8. Let's do it here vertically. On doing the vertical, it means that we have to get 6 plus 8. Now, let's get some counters here. Let's get some counters here, and we draw 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we want to add how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and lastly 8. Then we are going to add them together. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So since this is 14, I'm going to write here a 4. Okay, I'm going to write here a what? A 4. As I write here a 4, I'm going to carry 1 because I've gotten the answer 14. So I'm writing here 4. I'm carrying 1 to this side here up. Okay, I'm carrying 1 to this side up, and the answer, when I carry the 1 here, then I will add 1 plus 1, and the answer will be 24. Therefore, I can go on and I say my answer is 24 meters, and I underline it. Okay, that's the first example. Let's look at the second example. In the second example, I'm going to draw another type of a triangle. A triangle whose two opposite sides are equal, and it's called isosceles triangle. Now, they can draw it like that, but this one, the two opposite, it's not like the first one. In the first one, all the sides were equal, but now in the second one, it is only this side that is equal to this side. Now they will make a trick and trick you, and they will give you one side here. They will not give you this one, but you have to know if this one is 4, even this one is also 4. Are we together? Therefore, I can go on and write the perimeter equals side plus side plus side. 3 sides. Because we say that perimeter is the distance around the figure. 1, 2, 3. So I have to draw the 3 sides. Side plus side plus side. So when you join up together, on one side I'm going to put 8. On another side I put 4. Then the last side, which I don't know, is here. What is the answer here? The answer here is 4, because these two sides are equal. So therefore, I will go on and say it's now 8 plus 4 plus 4. Then I put the centimeters aside. Then I go on. When I add those two and that one, I will get that. When I add 8 plus 4, the answer is 12 plus another 4. Then here, as we're getting our final answer, we can do our long division, our long addition or vertical addition. 2 plus 4, of course, I know that the answer is 6. Then this one is 1. So my final answer is 16, and I underline my answers. Okay? Let's move on. I have the third one. The third one is here. They are going to draw for you a triangle whereby all the sides are not equal. Each side is itself. Here, I have 3 centimeters. The one here, it is 4 centimeters. The one down is 6 centimeters. So how do you do to this one? Perimeter equals side plus side plus side. There are 3 sides. Therefore, it is 6 plus 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus, what is 6 plus 4? That is 10 plus 3. You do the vertical addition and you get the answer as 13. Then we shall end with our answer 13 centimeters. Learners, all together. Suppose I have this one. Who is going to look for me the perimeter of that figure there? There. Let me see the one I'm picking. I see very many hands up. Okay. Let me give a chance to Naomi. Yes, Naomi?
Yes, teacher.
Do you now share your screen?
No.
No. What are you using?
A phone.
Phone.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Charles, you make Naomi a co-host so that I can teach her how to share the whiteboard. She learns also. Naomi, where are you? Naomi, can you talk to me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Naomi.
Yes, please.
Have you copied your question? You are going to write on your screen there.
No.
Of course, copy it down. Do you have a book with you?
Yes.
Okay. Just on a dot diagram and put put these units there because you are going to share. Okay. I'm going to remove mine and you share yours. Do it quick. Okay. As Naomi is drawing the work, I'd like to once again say thank you. I see Ethan. Ethan wants to say something. Okay. Ethan is saying, teacher, you go slow. Yeah. Don't worry, Ethan. Don't worry, I'm going to go through. Roshan, Kaila, how are you, Kaila? It's a long time. Kabuye Limuel is there from P1, is here studying with us. Thank you. Ishara, my friend. Okay, Ishara, prepare yourself for the next one. Ishara. Ishara.
Yes, teacher.
You are next, so get ready. Eh?
Okay.
Okay. Are you using a phone, a tablet, or a laptop? Where is Sha? You have again run away. We are waiting for you, Madam Naomi. Naomi, where are you? Naomi, I see you on the call. Naomi, unmute yourself and talk to me. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, I don't think maybe you went off. Let Mr. Charles give you the co-host rights. Mr. Otto, look for Naomi and we help her out. Joanita was saying, teacher, you promised to teach me how to share the screen. Okay, I will teach you in today's lesson. Don't worry. Naomi, are you done?
Yes.
Are you able to share your screen?
No.
Okay, what does it show you? I don't know why you don't have the rights yet they are given to you. Maybe they have taken. Okay, you can now share your screen now.
This will
okay.
Stop.
Okay, follow me, because I'm teaching you don't know, isn't it? Now okay. This will stop. Read for me what you are seeing on your screen.
Yes.
Okay. Draw the diagram that you copied and you write the answer.
Okay.
We are waiting. Okay. As Naomi is writing on the screen, make sure you are talking something. Martha, how are you? It has been a long time. Juanita, Fidel, Brianna, Alice, Ethan, and another person here. Naomi, you are not writing. What are you waiting for?
I'm writing.
Okay. But the way you are writing is like as if you are writing like a P1 child. Naomi, I give a chance to another person.
I think.
Naomi,
Yes, please.
oh, let me give a chance to another person, maybe who knows first, before we pick another one who doesn't know and I teach you. Okay, let me share my screen again. Let me pick someone here. It seems Naomi is having a problem. Naomi is having a problem with the network. Then let me pick. Let's give a chance to Martha. Martha,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine, eh?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen.
Four centimeters. Here were 5. And here 6. Now we come here. Side plus side plus side. When we come down and put equals, we'll put 4 plus 5 plus 6. Centimeters. We come down and see 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 8. It's 15. So we are going to say 4 plus 5 get 9. Get 9. Then 9 plus 6 is 15. Then afterwards, we come down and we say, oh, here it's centimeters. Then we come down and say 15 centimeters is the answer.
What is the centimeter?
It's there.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let me also today share the screen using my phone, and I see if I also write poorly like the way you write. Martha,
Yes.
let me share my screen today, and I see if I write also badly like the way you write.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see, because your handwriting. Otherwise, thank you. Thank you very much for the good work you have done for us. So I'm going to share my screen also using my phone, and I try to write. And I want to see whether we shall have the same handwriting like the one that you have, you people. Okay. Let me move on first, and we look at this one here. Now, we had our question. In our question, it was drawn. I will not draw, but let me do it direct. Let me do it direct here. Now, we have our perimeter. Our perimeter equals side plus side plus side. You see? I think my handwriting is not bad. Then we had one side. The answer was 15. Where did you get 15 from? Okay. Okay. One side was 5. Another side was 6. Another side, it was 4. Okay. And what was the unit used? The unit used here was centimeter. Okay. Let's add 5 plus, okay, let me do this. Let me first add 5 alone, then plus here 6 plus 4, it is 10. I put my centimeter here. And of course, I know that 5 plus 10, the answer is 15. I'm in P3. I must be knowing this in my head. You see? You see my handwriting? But for you, write like as if, okay. I don't know. Martha. Martha?
Yes, teacher.
Have you seen my handwriting?
Yes.
Does it look like yours?
No.
So you need to improve on your handwriting, okay?
Yes.
Because even my shared the screen, and I was using my what? I was using my phone, okay, and I used my whiteboard, and I gotten that, okay. So let's move direct, and we'll see what's next, okay. Someone is asking, teacher, what does SS mean? SS, it means side plus side plus side, because a triangle has 3 sides: side for S, side for S, and side for S. That's what S means. Okay.
Plus side.
Someone is talking here. I don't know who is talking, but let me meet you here. Now let's go on. Suppose I have that. I have said we shall do this. Okay, we shall do this. We shall do this. So 5 plus 6 plus 4, but centimeters. Let's go on next. 11 plus 1. When you add it there, the answer is 15, and you put 15 as your answer there. That's the perimeter. Let's look at the example 2. Whom am I picking today? Put up your hand. Joanita, have you learned to share your screen? Because you're using a laptop, and I wanted to teach you last time, but you didn't do well somewhere. Let me see those ones who are putting up the hand. And there was another saying, teacher, you don't want me to put you. Melilina. Mary, unmute yourself.
Teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Your question is there. Your question is there. Please copy it. Your question is there. Please copy it. Yeah. And you share your screen. Ishara, are you on as you're waiting for Lina? Ishara. Let me look for Ishara. Where is Ishara? Ishara is here. Okay. Ishara.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I want to show you yours. Let me show you yours. I want to show you your question. Let me show you your question, Ishara. I need to show you your question, Ishara, as Merilina. Lina, have you finished to copy your work?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Allow me to first show Ishara. Let me first show Ishara has Ishara. Ishara, yeah, boy, a girl.
Girl.
A girl.
Yeah.
Okay. Ishara is a girl. Okay. I want to show you your question. You also note it down. So by the time I pick you, you are just ready. You are just ready. You are just ready. Okay. Okay. Let me first do this. Let me first let's see here. Rina, have you finished copying the question?
Yes.
Are you able to share your screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Is that your question?
No.
Okay. Yours is next. Okay. Okay, yours is here. Let me hope you have finished to copy it. All together?
Yes.
Okay, you share your screen now and you go on. Go on, my girl. Ishara, mute yourself as we wait for Lina to finish, then you are next.
Okay. Where is the pencil?
You don't see the pencil.
Yes.
What are you using, Lina?
A phone.
A phone. You check down. You check down on your left hand side. There is something like a pencil. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Okay, right. Reach there, then you get the pencil. Have you seen it? Oh, but you are making zigzag on the screen. Okay. You pick again the pencil and we go on. Just draw, we are seeing, we know that you don't have a ruler. And we are okay. Don't rub again. Rub off that statement and write something small. Lina, no. Rub off where you wrote 6 plus 5 and write small letters. Make sure that all the 3 fit there.
Yes.
Yes. You go on and write, Nina, add, and we go on.
centimeters.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much, my dear Melina. Let me see. Yes, mute yourself, Lina. Let me hear from Ishara. Okay, Ishara. Okay, let you admin auto give you the rights. Ishara.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen and I draw for you the diagram, the figure you're going to use. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You know now you are a co-host. Let me share and I draw for you the diagram we are going to use now, and we see what's next. Okay, the diagram is here. The diagram is here. I have to pick here. Okay, let me draw it using free hands also. Don't worry. Oh, let me first clear this. I have to draw again. Here is like this. Here is like this. Here it is 5 meters, and here it is 6 meters. Are you seeing it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you put it down?
What?
Have you copied that question?
Yeah.
So you are able to share your screen now?
I don't know to share my screen.
You don't know how to share your screen?
Yeah.
What are you using? Are you using a phone, a tablet, or a computer? Using a phone.
Phone.
Okay. Do you see that button green down on your Zoom?
Yeah.
Press there and tell me what shows to you. Read for me what it is showing you. Ishara,
Yes, teacher.
do you see the green button on your Zoom with the word share?
Yes.
Press there and
Okay.
read for me what it is bringing to you.
This will stop others screen sharing. Do you want to?
Yes.
No.
Don't say no, say yes.
Okay.
Tell me what it has brought for you.
It's Microsoft OneDrive view.
Okay, you scroll down and look for whiteboards.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Now we are seeing your screen. What you will do there, we shall be also seeing it here. All together?
Okay.
Okay. Now you begin writing, knowing that that's the only space. That's the only space you have. So you draw the diagram and do the working there. Okay, thank you. Okay. You're not writing. What's the problem? No, that one was not there. Okay, it's okay. You go on. But the one down was not there. But you know, okay, fine. One down was 6. Down was 6. Okay, now do the working. And you speak as you're writing. Don't just write. Oh, Ishara.
Yes, teacher.
Are all the sides 5, 5, 5? Okay, good. Add. Okay, thank you, my girl.
You're welcome.
Yes. Now you know how to share the screen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, okay. So Ishara also has learned how to share the screen. Let me give the last chance to one person here, and Ishara, mute yourself there. Yeah. Let me give the last chance to Joanita. Joan.
Teacher.
You are using a laptop, eh?
Yes.
Okay. You press in the button of the word share.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
you
saying,
do, I know you know that. Then share whiteboard.
Teacher, it is saying this will stop at, oh.
It is okay, it's okay, say okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Whiteboard.
Yeah.
I am there.
You haven't shared. Say share.
Share.
Okay.
I am there.
Now, you wait.
Yes.
Do you see, there's what you call a touch, it's called a touch board, where you touch and the mouse moves, eh?
Yes.
There are 2 buttons there. Eh?
Yes.
One left, one right. Eh?
Yes.
Those buttons there, in fact, they are 4. They are the
Yes.
first ones here, even there are 2 ones in front. Eh?
Yes.
Now, you press one on your right. Oh, sorry, on your left. Press one on your left.
The upper one or the downer one?
No, the buttons are 2. I'm on the laptop now.
Okay.
Don't move the cursor. Do you see where you touch and that cursor moves? Eh?
Yes.
There are 2 buttons, or there are 4. 2 this way and 2 in front. Eh?
Yes, I can see
now,
them.
Okay. Now, do you know the left one?
Yes.
You long press it. Press and don't remove your hand. Have you done so?
Yes, but it's
okay. Now you hold on.
Yes.
Have you pressed that button?
Yes.
Now you press it, then you move the cursor. I think you can see it is writing, eh?
Yes.
So when you want to do something, you press and don't leave, then the other hand moves out together.
Yes.
Okay, you draw. Use two hands. Use one hand to press. Use one finger of your left hand to press the left button. Then use the other hand to move the cursor to where you want it to go.
Yes.
Do it and we see. Okay, you are learning all together.
Yes.
See, now for you, I've drawn a square instead of rectangle, but it's okay. Now, can you write letter? Can you write 2? Write 2. Write in the space and write there number 2. I think you have learned it, isn't it?
Yes. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, that's how simple it is, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you everybody for attending today's lesson. I'm very happy that my learners have learned how to share screen and how to write. Today I had 2 new learners. Joan learned how to use a laptop and Ishara learned how to use a phone, and I'm grateful that they have learned. I think Melina did this example. That's why I'm just rewriting it for you here. I would like to say thank you for learning. Also, thank you for attending with me the lesson. I would like to stop here and I get someone to give us the opening prayer. Let me hear from maybe Nakai. Okay. For the first time, Nakai, you can talk to us and you give us the prayer. Nakai Beyonce.
I have a question.
Okay, go on.
So I want to know how to screen my work.
How to screen or how to share your work?
To share.
Okay, you know how to share your work. Okay. What are you using?
A tablet.
Using a tablet. Mr. Otto, let's help Beyonce for the last time because I may need her in the next lesson. So you give her the course rights and we help her out. Okay. Nakai Beyonce.
Yes,
okay, you have the rights. Do you see the green button on your Zoom?
Sorry.
Do you see the green button on your Zoom? On your Zoom? Do you see the green?
Teacher.
What
Yes.
does it read?
Share.
Okay, click there in the word share.
I have finished.
You have not shared anything.